Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Keychron K10, a full-sized wireless mechanical keyboard that's been making waves in the community. This keyboard boasts a classic 104-key layout, offering a familiar and comfortable typing experience for those who prefer a full set of keys, including the numpad. The model I have here features Keychron G Pro Brown switches. These switches are a popular choice for their tactile feedback without being too loud, making them suitable for both office and gaming environments. The tactile bump is noticeable, providing a satisfying typing experience and letting you know when the key has been registered. The K10 offers both wireless and wired connectivity. It uses Bluetooth for wireless, allowing you to connect to multiple devices and switch between them easily. The USB-C port provides a reliable wired connection for gaming or when you need to charge the keyboard. The inclusion of a USB-C port is a welcome addition, as it's becoming the standard for modern devices. Aesthetically, the K10 sports a clean and minimalist design. The white LED backlighting adds a touch of elegance without being too distracting. The keycaps are made of durable material, and the overall build quality feels solid and robust. It feels like it can withstand daily use. One of the standout features of the Keychron K10 is its compatibility with both Mac and Windows operating systems. The keyboard comes with extra keycaps specifically for Mac users, ensuring a seamless experience regardless of your preferred operating system. This is a huge plus for those who switch between different platforms. The K10 also has a rechargeable battery, which provides a decent amount of usage time on a single charge. Of course, battery life will vary depending on your usage habits and the brightness of the backlighting. Overall, the Keychron K10 is a versatile and well-built wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a great typing experience. The Keychron G Pro Brown switches provide a satisfying tactile feel, and the dual connectivity options make it suitable for a variety of users. The Mac and Windows compatibility is a major plus, and the clean design will fit well in any setup. If you're looking for a full-sized wireless mechanical keyboard that offers a great balance of features and performance, the Keychron K10 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.